In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images using Gemini 2025 in a style that's truly out of this world. Let's dive right in and get started on this creative journey. First, we'll need to navigate to the trusty tool we all know, Google. Fire up your web browser and go to Google's homepage. Once you're there, it's time to type in the keywords Google Gemini into the search bar. This simple search will direct us to the platform where all the magic of image creation happens. After you've entered the search, you'll see a list of results. What you're looking for is the official Google Gemini website. Click on this link, and it will take you directly to the platform we're going to use today. This platform is designed to make image creation not only easy, but also a pleasure to experience. Once you're on the Google Gemini site, look for a button labeled Create Image. You'll recognize it easily by the little banana icon next to it, a fun touch by the designers. Clicking on this button will set the stage for our image creation adventure. Now, to get started on your personal masterpiece, click on the plus sign icon. This handy icon lets you upload an image from your computer. Choose a file that you feel inspired by or want to enhance with digital flair. Next up, it's time to direct the creative process by making a detailed prompt. Think of your prompt as the guiding vision that will shape the final image. For example, you could input something like this. A powerful cyber warrior stands in a neon-drenched city, commanding streams of digital energy that bend reality around him. The cinematic, rain-soaked scene glows with cyberpunk intensity, blending technology, power, and mystery in stunning hyper-realistic detail. Such a vivid description helps the tool understand the kind of image you want to create, highlighting particular themes or styles that excite you. With your prompt ready and your creative juices flowing, the moment has arrived to see your vision come to life. All you need to do is click the Submit button. This final step will bring your ideas into existence, generating an image that reflects the details and nuances of your prompt. And there you have it, a brand new image, crafted with the unique capabilities of Google Gemini 2025. It's amazing how technology can help us breathe life into our wildest imaginings. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering the art of digital image creation. Keep exploring, and you'll discover endless possibilities and styles to try. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Keep creating, and see you in the next video.